In the previous class, you have seen divisibility rules, right? In this class, we are going to look at unit digit pattern. First, take unit digit of any number. It can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if you take any unit digit, it will be from 0 to 9. You will not get any other unit digit other than 0 to 9. Okay, any number you take it will always end with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or else 9. Let's find out what is the unit digit of its square. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, but we are only looking at the unit digit, therefore it is 6. 5 fives are 25, again we are looking for unit digit, only 5. 6 6 are 36, therefore it is 6. 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81. If you look at what are the digits which are missing, look at closely. You don't find the numbers. What are the numbers which are missing? 2, 3, 7, 8. So if you look at 2, 3, 7, 8 are missing. Therefore, you can say a square number never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, a perfect square never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Cube, we have square number and we have number. 0 into 0, 0, 1, 2 fours are 8, 3 nines are 27. This is 4, this is 5, 6, 3. Every number is covered in this. N to the power of 4, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 8 twos, because n cube into n you need to multiply, 8 into 2, 16, so only unit digit. 7 threes are, it is 1, only unit digit you take it. 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, 3 sevens are 21, 2 eights are 16, 1. Only 156 will come. If I take n to the power of 5, 0 into 0, 0, 1 in, okay, 1 into 1, 1. 6 twos are 12, so 2. This is 3. This one 4, 5, 6 6 are 36. 1 into 7, 7. 6 into 8, 8. 1 into 9, 9. We are getting back to the same sequence, isn't it? We are getting back to the same sequence if you look at. So the meaning is what? Any number from 1 to 9 you take it, okay? The maximum number of different digits can come in its power is 4. Okay, maximum number of different digits can come in its power are 4 digits. Okay, after 4 digits, the same digit repeating. For example, if you look at 2, 2, 4, 8, 6. Again, again we came back to 2. Again, if you multiply, it is like 2 power 6 will be again 4, then 8, then 6. So it goes on. So the cyclicity you call it. So the cyclicity of, okay, maximum cyclicity of any number you take it, it will be 4, not more than that. And if you closely observe few numbers like 0, 1, 5, 6, its cyclicity is 1 only. Okay. Look at 0, 1, 5, 6. It is always what? The same digits you're getting. So let me write that. First, square number never ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. For 0, 1, 5, 6, always ends with themselves. The meaning, when you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 to the power of 7, 8, 9, 6, 4. Power may be anything. If the unit digit is 6, then we say it is always ends with 6. I'm talking about only unit digit. 7, 8, 9, 5. We don't care what the power is. 3, 4, 5, 6. Ends with 5. If the unit digit is 6, it always ends with 6. If the unit digit is 5, it ends with 5. Now look at the second set of values. Look at the numbers like 4 and 9. Look at number 4 and number 9. These are perfect squares, right? So number 4, if you look at in its power, you're getting 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. It goes on. In 9, you're getting 9, 1, 9, 1, 9, 1. Okay. So look at power of 4, then power of 9. So 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 9, 1, 9, 1, 9, 1. Right? So only two different digits in its power. When I say two different digits in its power, 4 power odd number, which is 4 power 1, which is 4 only. 9 power odd number also. 9 only. Look at 4 power even number. 4 2 4 power 4, 4 power 2, which is 4 fours are 16, so it ends with 6. 9 power even number, 9 square 81, so it ends with 1. So there are only two different digits. So it's very easy for us to look at like this. 784 to the power of 487. I'll simply say it is ends with 4, it is ending with 4. And when it is ending with 4, odd number is there. Therefore, you can say how much here. Odd number means 4 power 1 you just think of. So it ends with 4. 9 power odd number. Therefore, it ends with 9 only. 4, 8, 6, 7, 9, 7, 6, 9, 8, 4. 9 power even number, so ends with 1. So when it is ending with 4 and 9, you just look at the power whether it is even or odd. If it is even, we just think of 4 power 2 or 9 power 2. If it is odd, we just think of 4 power 1 and 9 power 1 and we'll do it like that. Okay. So we have seen 0, 1, 5, 6, and we have also seen 4 and 9. We left with only 2, 3, 7, 8. Look at for 2, 3, 7, 8. Look at for 2 first. 2 power 1 is equals to 2. 2 power 2 is equals to 2 cube. 2 power 4, 6. Again 2 power 5 you're gonna get 2 only. 2 power 6, 2 power 7, 2 power 8, 2 power 9, 2 power 10, 2 power 11, 2 power 12. So all, if the power is a multiple of 4, then it ends with 6 only. This one is ends with 6, this also ends with 6, this also ends with 6. It goes on like that. Suppose if I ask you 2 power 514 ends with the unit digit of this. So I can say 2 power 512 is perfectly a multiple of 4. Therefore, it ends with how much? 6. So you go for 2 power 513. That ends with how much? 2. 2 power 514. It ends with how much? 4. Right? But I want you to observe the power here. Powers are 1, 5, 9. If you go on like this. Look at the powers. 1, 5, 9. These are the numbers. When you divide them, leaves remainder 1. Look at 4, sorry, powers you look at 2, 6, 10. When you divide them by 4, leaves remainder 2. So when you divide 3, 7, 11, when you divide them by 4, leaves remainder 3. 4, 8, 12. When you divide them by 4, it leaves remainder 0. So simply what you need to look at the power. Look at the power, divide it by 4. If I divide it by 4, it leaves remainder 2. Remainder 2 means 2 power 2. Gives you 4. Understood? If remainder 1, then it is okay. If it leaves remainder 1, then it is 2 power 1. Okay. If it leaves remainder 2 means it is 2 power 2. If it leaves remainder 3 means 2 power 3. If it leaves remainder 4, okay, leaves remainder 0 means you need to take 2 power 4. Okay. In this particular case, you need to take it as 4. Power as 4. Okay. So what are the unit digits here? Here unit digits are 2 power 1 only, like 2 power 2, here 2 power 3, here it ends with 2 power 4, which is nothing but 6. So listen carefully here. If I take any number like 4, 6, 7, 2, 8, 9, 7, 4. The very first thing that you need to observe is the unit digit is 2. no matter what are the other digits. We don't care about the other digit. We only care about the unit digits. And we need to divide this by 4. We know that 8900, every 100 for that matter, divisible by 4. So we don't care about other than the 10th digit and 1st digit. So you only take 74 because 8900 is anyway, it is like a cyclical. So it is divisible by 4. So you better divide 74. That is enough for us. Now you divide 74 by 4. Divide 74 by 4. On dividing 74 by 4, whatever the remainder that you get, you take it in the power. So I'm getting 2 because 72 is gone. So reminder 2. Therefore, you can take it is 4 as the unit digit. What is the unit digit? Simply you can say 4 is the unit digit. So first, take the unit digit of the base and last two digits of the power. Divide the last two digits of the power by 4 and take the remainder. In power. If in case, if remainder is equals to 0, then take it as remainder is equals to 4. These three steps you need to follow. Okay, first, take the unit digit of the base, last two digits of the power. This is exclusively for 2, 3, 7, 8. For digits 2, 3, 7, 8. Or else for the numbers which ends with 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, you take the unit digit of the base and last two digits of the power. Divide the last two digits of the power by what? 4. Take the remainder. If you practice it within a single step, you can do it. Not a big task. 897 to the power of 897. 888, 444, 323, 323, 458, 854, 3242. What are the unit digit I want? So listen here carefully. For the first one, how do I do it? I simply take the unit digit of the base. Last two digits to the power 97. Divide 97 by 4. We know 96 is gone. 1. Therefore, answer is 7. 8. Remainder is 0. But take it as 4. 8 power 4 ends with 6. Even if you don't know 8 power 4 ends with 6, do it like this. 8, 8 8 is 64, 4 8 is 32, 2 8 is 16. Like this you need to do. Okay, this is 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, 8 power 4. 3. 23. If you divide 23 by 4, remainder is 3. Therefore, ends with 7. 8. 4 you divide it by 4. So 52 is gone. Remaining is 2. Ends with 4. 2. Remainder is 3. Ends with 8. This is only for 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, for the rest of the numbers, it is much more easy, so you can do it in that manner. Is it understood up to here? Is it clear up to here? Swarnika, Girija, Charmin, and Sajda. If any doubts, please do ask. Stop, watch, sit down. Okay.
Sir, can Sir, can you repeat second problem?
Yeah, sure. 888 to the power of 444. You take unit digit of the base. You take last 2 digits of the power. You divide the power by 4. We realize that the remainder is 0. Okay, but don't take a remainder as 0. When remainder is 0, take it as 4. Because if the power is multiple of 4, then when you divide it by 4, you will get remainder 0. So, but I am telling you, whenever you are getting remainder 0, you take remainder as 4. Because 2 power 4 ends with 6. Same is the case with all the multiples of 4 in the power. So in the basic which I said, if remainder is 0, then take it as what? Remainder as 4. Okay, which means in the power you take it as 4. So here I'm doing the same. And what is 8 power 4 ends with? 8 power 1 ends with what? 8. 8 square ends with what? 8 8 is 64, 4. 8 cube ends with what? 4 8 is 32, so it is 2. 8 power 4 ends with obviously 2 8 is. Is it okay? Hope you understood that. Now, what is the unit digit of this expression? First take individually 7. 76 is gone when you divide it by 4. Remainder is 1. Multiple of 4. So remainder is 0, but take it as 4. 9 power odd number. Odd number means just, you can imagine 9 power 1. This ends with 7. This ends with 6. This ends with 9. It is 2. So finally it ends with 8. Be there if you have any doubt, ask. Okay, right. If 5 is included in the product, remember 5 into all the other unit digits odd, then you can say answer is 5. 5 into, even if one of the unit digits is even, therefore simply the product becomes 0. Meaning, what is the unit digit? 5 is included in the product. One of the digit is even here. Therefore, you can say it ends with 0. Suppose what is the unit digit? 5 is included in the product. All other are odd only. Therefore, it ends with 5. We don't look at power, we only look at the basis. Odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. Therefore, without any doubt, you can say simply it ends with 5. Even if one even number you see, this is 5, there is one even number is there. 6 is there, 4 is also there. Therefore, you can say undoubtedly, even if one number is even, then you can say the product is 0. This is when 5 is included in the product. Okay. Question asked in title. So I'll give you the poll, you try to answer it. First find it individually, then multiply them. Let's see Vijaya answered. I think it's correct. Yeah, I want all of you to answer. Yeah, make it first. Okay. I see Swanika also answered. Okay. So wait for 1 more minute. Just a few. Sajida, Hitesh, Girija, Charmin. Okay. All right. Wait now. 7, you divide the power 12 by 4. Therefore, it is 1. 9 power odd. 4 power even. 2 when divided by 4. Its remainder is 0. Therefore, take it as 2 power 4. Ends with 7. Ends with 9. Ends with 6, 6. 3, 6. Therefore, ends with 8. Hope you understand that. Come on, try for this. Okay, correct. I see Vijaya answered. Rest of you can just try. Just a second. Yeah, I see Vijaya answered it correct. And Swarnika is also yes. 3, 6 are 18. 18 into n, which means 8 into n is ending with n plus 2. Therefore, 8 into 1 is 8. So no. If you substitute 8, 8 into 8, 64, it's not ending. 3, 8 3s are 24, it is not ending with 5. But if you substitute 8, sorry, if you substitute 6, it is ending with 8. If n is 6, n plus 2 is 8. So that is perfectly suitable. So I would say answer is 6. Hope that's clear. Any answers? You can tell me the answers in the chat. Yeah. Anyone? Very good. Right. Ends with 1. 4 factorial ends with 24. After that, everything ends with 0 only. Therefore, 13 means it simply ends with 3. Right? Just find out the unit digit of what? Each and every factorial there. Next. Let's take 10 divided by 5, or else when divided by 10. What is the remainder? When divided by 5. What is the remainder? So when effectively when anything is asked, like when divided by 10, the remainder, which means he's asking you the unit digit. Indirectly, he's asking you what? Unit digit. Because anything when divided by 10, whatever the unit digit, that unit digit will be your remainder. Okay. So in this case, 84 is gone. 7 cube ends with 3. Therefore, it ends with 3. In this case, divided by 5, you'll subtract 5 if x is greater than 5. Otherwise, you take x as it is if x is less than 5. It is 3 square, which is 9, but it is greater than 5. Therefore, take 4. But the logic behind both the numbers, when you divide it by 10 or when you divide it by 5, The logic behind both the numbers is simply what? It is the unit digit only. Remember, the logic behind both of them is simply unit digit. Okay. Any doubt so far? Hope you understand that. The number of zeros at the end. So how many zeros it ends with? See, in order to get 10, you need to multiply, or else you need to have 1, 2, and 1, 5. Right? Suppose if I have 2 into 5, you get 1, 0 at the end. You have two twos, but only 1, 5. Still, you get only 1, 0 at the end because it is 10. You have three twos, two fives. 1, 2, 1, 5 forms 1, 0. So it is two twos, two fives forms two zeros, which is 100. So it is 200. You have only two twos, but you have 10 fives or 5 fives. 5 cube is 125, double zero. I've taken, okay, two fives, two twos, that will be 100. The remaining 5, 3. Okay, three fives is nothing but 125. Even if you have 2 per 100, but you only have 1 5, at the end you can only form 1 0 because there is only 1 5 in the product. Okay, you may have 100 fives, but you only have two twos. How many zeros you'll form at the end? You'll form only two zeros at the end. So n is equals to 72. Number of zeros at the end of product. or number of zeros n ends with. A number of zeros n ends with. Number of fives you find out in this product, and number of twos you find out. 85 means 5 into 17, there is only one 5. Number of fives, there is one 5 in this. 25, which means there are two fives. No, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. There are two fives. So there are only five fives. Number of twos you try to find out. Here only you are finding 6 twos because 64 is 2 power 6. I don't need to find out anything else because I can clearly see number of fives are less. Therefore, number of zeros is equals to 5. So how many zeros are there at the end of this product? Number of zeros are 5. Can you see the screen now? Right. Number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. 100 factorial ends with how many zeros? I just need to find out the number of zeros. So you'll find out number of twos and number of fives. Always better to find out the number of two, in which number of twos and number of fives, right? So find out the number which are less in number. Okay, find out the digits which are less in number. So obviously, which are less in number? If you look at twos and fives, fives are less in number. Therefore, let's find out number of fives in 100 factorial. So how do I find out number of fives in 100 factorial? Everyone knows that the 100 factorial is 1 into 2 into so on up to 100. You only take multiple of fives from that. 5, 10, 15, it goes on up to 100. 5 power 20 you common because there are 25s. 1 into, 2 into, 3 into, so on up to 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. You common another 4 fives. Five power 24. Therefore, total number of fives are 24. Total number of zeros will also be 24. So how do I do it easily? Just take 100. divided by 5. Only take the quotient, forget about the remainder. It is 20. Quotient is 4. Therefore, it is 20 plus 4. How many 5s are there? There are 24 5s. There are number of zeros are 24. There are 24 zeros. How many 2s are there in this? If at all, if they ask you, they'll ask you like this. If 100 factorial by 2 power n is integer, then the maximum value of n, which means how many 2s are there in 100 factorial is asking. Okay, number of 2s contained in 100 factorial. So how do I find out number of 2s contained in 100 factorial? 50, 25, divide everything by 2. Forget about remainder, only quotient. 1. Add this one. 97. Okay. Suppose if I say 100 factorial divided by 8 power n is integer, which means power of 8 is dividing by 100 factorial and it is perfectly dividing. So maximum value of n, remember 8 is not a prime number, 8 is formed by 2 cube. Number of 2's, 97. Therefore with 97 2's, how many 8's you can form? Number of 8's is 97 divided by 3. Take only integer value. 96 means 32. So how many 8's I can form? 32 8's I can form. Even though I have 8, you should not directly divide it with 8. Remember, 8 is formed by 2 cubes. So first find out the number of 2's, which is 97. Then find out the number of 8's, which is 97 by 3, which is 32. That's how we find it out. Hope that's clear. Okay. Right. Any doubts so far? If the concepts so far are clear, then say yes, please. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can just unmute or else you can ask me in the chat. A123, may I know your name? Sonika, is everything clear? Girija, Charmin. Okay.